Well, here's the new project that I'm getting ready for. It's upside down, but this is a flat top grill. That's underneath of it. And you can see it's pretty well damaged. That all needs to be fly cut smooth. So I need to remove all these welds along here. It looks like it's just MIG welded. This is stainless, this is normal carbon steel. I need to clean this rust up real good. And that's why I've got this mag chuck, which is going to get mounted there. That will get mounted on here. Then we're going to fly cut the surface. So I got to make a fly cutter. Oops, wrong one. This is the spindle I'm going to use. So I just need to make the cutter. So I need to get some tool steel, and I'm going to use this because it's what I have. And it's long enough I can adjust it, but it's not gonna be real long. I might use something else. I'm not totally decided, but this is what I'm looking at right now. So I paid $100 for this, and it's got 2 burner areas, so I can have 2 zones of heat. And then once that's surfaced, then get it welded back together and cleaned up, and this will be my new hamburger grill. So in order to do this, it's going to be tricky, but I'm going to have to utilize this travel here to start in and then work out, and then back and forth with the table, and that should get my whole area surfaced. But yeah, this came out of a restaurant, and you know, I've got a picture of what it looked like, and I'll be honest with you, I really don't want to eat in restaurants anymore. So just can't trust anything, you know. Anyway, that's next on my list. I figure I probably got a month that it'll take me to do this. I don't know how long it'll take to build the fly cutter. Probably not long, but I've got other stuff I'm still working on with the anodizing room and whatnot, so I want to get this done soonly so I can get this thing off of my makeshift bench. This is eventually going to be a welding table. I've got kind of an elaborate thing I want to do with it. That's why it's not a finished table yet. If it was just a basic table, it would have been finished a long time ago. So my table saw is holding it up, but eventually this is going to get done. Table saw will get out of here. So yeah, I can't wait to get this thing going. It's going to be really nice.